We were in here the other day and you were acting like it's all little bunnies jumping in the woods, all happy-go-lucky. No.
A ton of bond violations isn't just drama, it's the legal fast track to losing trust with the court. Judges treat repeated bond breaches as a direct risk to public safety and court process. That's why revocation or bond increases are on the table. Question for you watching. If someone keeps ignoring curfew, should the court punish with stricter supervision or focus on support, therapy, job help? Drop your take in the comments. What would you do?
Knowing full well that you had a ton of bond violations. You were to have a curfew from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 4:30 in the morning, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different violations where you were going out in the middle of the night.
That unacceptable is where authority and empathy collide. Legally, the judge can impose stricter conditions or revoke bond when someone repeatedly ignores court-ordered curfews. It's not arbitrary, it's enforcement. But notice the human side. Therapy was offered, then ignored. Engagement nudge, which is more effective, immediate punishment or mandated support? Why does one fail without the other?
Guess what happens, or do you have any response?
Your Honor, I've spoken to the family. I've spoken to Mr. Chavez. I recommended that he get started with some therapy.
Yeah, I'm going to help you get started with that therapy right now. Guess what happens? Guess. He goes with you. Yeah, we'll get started real quick. We'll talk. I don't know. He'll pop up in tomorrow's docket. We can talk again. But he's out at 4:30 in the morning, 1 in the morning. It's unacceptable. He doesn't get it. So, his bond's $100 now. I'll make it a $5,001. If they have issues making it, just let me know. We can talk. But I mean, I can't just let him go. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
He is top of page 8.
Bond hearing will be tomorrow.
No. I'm revoking it and raising it to 5,001.
Okay.
And then, so if they have issues and they're unable to make the bond,
Okay.
we can talk. After tomorrow. Good morning, Mr. Seastrong. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I'm not able to afford one.
Why not? When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
Company went out of business in February. I've been DoorDashing.
So you are working.
What? It's not enough to afford because I got my kids. I don't have enough to afford a lawyer from what I make from DoorDash.
How much money do you make a month?
Probably barely 300, maybe.
How much?
Barely 300.
300 what?
Dollars.
What? A day? A week? You make $300 a month. I don't believe that for a second. How do you eat? How do you survive?
I stay with my wife. My wife.
So your wife works.
Yes.
What does your wife do?
She does assistant at an apartment facility.
How much money does she make a month?
She just started, so I'm really not sure. It's probably been about 3 weeks or so.
Why do the people of Harris County get to pay for a lawyer for you when you don't do anything? How is that fair? Why you get to sit at home play Xbox? Well, why do the people of Harris County get to pay for your lawyer? How's that fair? You're able-bodied. There's no reason why you shouldn't be working. You need a job.
Yes, sir. I work. I take care of my kids. We just got it.
No, but you're not taking care of your kids. No, kids need food. They need clothes.
The judge is doing two things at once, punishing noncompliance and trying to create a measurable pathway out. Legally, attaching employment as a bond condition is allowed when it's reasonably related to reducing risk or ensuring appearance. But it's also enforceable. Failure to comply can mean revocation or jail. Quick audience prompt. Do you think courts should enforce job search conditions, or is that overreach? Tell us why. And would a job placement program help more than threats?
Not just love, they need physical things as well. And if you're not pulling your weight, then you're not helping your kids. Your wife is helping your kids. What conditions did we put on Mr. Seastrunk, please? I'm sorry if you don't like what I'm telling you, Mr. Seastrunk, but I'm telling you the truth. How old are you? You're 39 and you make $300 a month. That's silly. And it's a shame.
I work for one of our business.
Then find something else.
Have been.
Do you know that there are so many companies out there that are begging for workers that are willing to pay you $15 to $20 an hour for you to work? Amazon, Starbucks. There's so many other places that are begging for workers because they just don't have enough. I'm not gonna, no. I'm making it a condition of your bond now that you get a full-time job. And I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done. But as far as what you get to hang out and do nothing all day, and then I have to pay for your lawyer too? You want a back rub too? No. I will give you an application. I'm going to send it home, and then I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing, then life's not going to go well. But it's not fair that we all here, I mean, I might as well just give you my wallet now. That's what we're doing.
And Your Honor, I may previously had a bond condition of no driving because the defendant expressed he had no insurance. So you add include that as well, no driving.
I hope you are not driving, Mr. Seastrunk.
I was able to get insurance from.
You are supposed to get court approval first before you drive, and you signed.
I got insurance a few days after we left from it. You told me not to drive without getting it.
Deputy Anderson, can you get that piece of paper, please? Sorry, guys. Just momentarily. Can you hand that to him? What does that say?
No driving without insurance approval.
Man, don't play Helen Keller. No driving without valid liability insurance and court approval. Do you want to go to jail? Don't drive. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law, Mr. Seastrunk. I don't give out lawyers like it's candy on Halloween, and I expect you to pull your weight. And I don't care if you don't like what I'm telling you, but sometimes in life, someone needs to put you over their knee and tell you this is how things need to go. And you, at 39, need to grow up and pull your weight. Start working. Don't be a bum. Can you give him an application? And we will see you back in 2 weeks. And then can you file conditions, please, that he must get a full-time job, please?